Sir, Secretary Bella M. Lian from Lapler. Sir, have you been able to verify kung naservan ba siya ng warrant or?
I have not seen the warrant. I have not been told kung natanggal na sa kanyang warrant. And contrary to the promise of General Martin, I was supposed to escort the President in bringing him either to Krame or Villamor. Wala naman sinupad.
It was promised to the General Martin.
That I can escort the President.
Sir, kayo sir ay sumundo lang sa kanila kanina?
Kanina, I was here as early as 9:30.
So anong nangyari?
Wala. Pinahintay ko. Tapos pag dumating, sabi niya, we assure you that you can see the President. And then I was introduced to the Kaninaw, who showed to me a document showing na meron daw warrant. I was asked for a copy of the warrant. Wala naman. So yun.
Sir, ngayon nasa na po si PRRD?
So in short, no warrant has been served to the President.
I have not seen the warrant.
But what have you been told, sir? Kahit verbal lang. Sinabihan bang served? Served what?
Meron daw warrant of arrest.
From who? Like ICC po ba, sir? Interpol ba?
Interpol, sabi niya.
Interpol.
Because he's from Interpol.
Sir, can you confirm that there's a red notice daw po?
I cannot confirm.
Therefore, are we considering this as illegal arrest?
Well, if there is no warrant of arrest, then this is definitely illegal.
Kasi kinuha siya against his will, sir, right?
Yeah, and then as a matter of constitutional right, kahit na-arrestin mo yung tao, you are entitled to legal assistance as well as immediate medical assistance. Kaya nagtataka ko bakit tayo nilang paano yung doktor.
So both medical and legal assistance were not accorded to the former
constitutional
president.
right at ng bawat tao.
Sir, ano daw mangyayari from here? Ano daw mangyayari from here? Bakit nandito?
I have not talked to anybody from their side.
Who is there with her with him now?
We don't know. Hindi man lang kami napauwi.
Sir, bakit ultimo kayo, sir, ng mga abogado na hindi po
Yun ang
pinapapasok?
hindi ko maintindihan.
Kasama niya po ba si ES Medaldea sa loob? Sino pong kasama niya sa loob?
When I saw Medaldea being interviewed, but I don't know if he's with the President, but they flew in with the President.
Sir, may prior coordination ba to? Nakausap niyo ba sila General Marbil? Anong pinaliwanag sa inyo?
Wala. When I arrived here at about 9:35 this morning, I was able to see General Marbil, and he was with his other people. We had some short talks, and then sabi niya sa akin,
Doon ka na niya pinangakuan.
There was a sign na dumating na si Presidente, sabi niya sa akin, we will escort him sa yung malaking poster, you can join him there, sabi niya sa akin. So I was waiting for them to tell me na I can join. Wala naman.
Sir, based on your expertise, paano po ba ang process ng isang Interpol? Lilipad po ba siya somewhere else? Ano po bang mangyayari?
I don't think na that's the regular process. It should be done in the ating department.
Okay. Nakausap niyo na po ba si Secretary Boying Remulla kung dadaan ng DOJ?
Sir, kahapon lang sinabi po lahat sa kanila sa gobyerno na wala pa naman daw warrant of arrest, and all of a sudden there was an arrest made kanina.
Well, if we are to talk about what is really there, I have not seen the warrant of arrest.
So yun ang malinaw, wala po kayo nakita.
Pero sir, ano po nakarating sa inyo na info? Warrant of arrest po ba for inciting to sedition? O warrant of arrest from Interpol?
Wala. No notice whatsoever. Basta sinabi sa akin na kanina, may warrant of arrest.
Sir,
Sabi ko na sabi, nandyan. You never showed it to me.
Sir,
Hawak na daw po ni CIDG Director Brigadier General Torre yung warrant of arrest.
Kung meron, ba't hindi pa kita sa amin?
So inuna muna yung arrest, sir? Pwede ba yun? Sir, pwede yun na take custody muna of the person, then warrant of arrest document follows?
No,
Is
the
that
warrant of
authorized?
arrest must be shown first.
Before you make an arrest of the applicant.
That is the...
sir, are you able to communicate with PRRD?
Somebody is the warrant of arrest.
Sir, mukhang ganun ang nangyari. Hinold na muna nila bago ipakita yung warrant of arrest.
Violation of rights.
Sir, pwede bang kunyari diretso papakita kay former President Duterte yung document hindi po sa abogado? Pwede rin po.
Basically, it should be the person to be arrested na nabigyan ng kopya.
Pero sir, as a lawyer, pwedeng gawin sa kanya yun na as lawyer ka naman, ito na yung warrant of arrest.
Pwede naman. Sir, tama na sir. Yung given and show him because the warrant of arrest.
Sir, ano po reaksyon ni PRRD nung pagpasok niya General Torre?
O may nasabi po ba sa inyo?
Hindi namin nakita si Presidente.
So hindi na pala kayo
Hindi niyo
nakaya.
hindi niyo nakasama sa...
Hindi namin nakasama.
Is he okay though, sir? Health-wise, okay ba siya? Do you have feedback?
Okay naman siya.
Pero sino pong kasama niya doon talaga? Sa loob? Ngayon
Sa
po.
Cathay Pacific, sir.
Currently.
I can only guess that it is Executive Secretary Bingbong Medialdea.
Who probably is his lawyer right
Yes,
now as we
lawyer.
speak.
Pero kasama niyo po siya sa Cathay Pacific, sir, pag-uwi.
Hindi.
Dito lang siya
I came in earlier.
So ngayon sir, mag-attend kayo na papasok at
Yeah,
makita
oo.
siya ng person. Sige, good.
Sir, last na lang, may namataan ka bang foreigners to indicate the presence of like Interpol agents, ICC, embassy, ganon?
The only
Punoy.
I saw do medyo mukhang foreigner sila. Ambassador na kanila, but it's
Okay.
si Filipino.
Okay, okay.
Communication with Medialdea, kung anong situation.
Wala nga eh, wala nga. It's only from Attorney Martin Deltra who told me that he's now with the President.
Sir, ano pong take po ninyo,
He
sir?
asked me to see them there.
Sir, ano pong take po ninyo kung sakasakaling galing po sa Interpol, yung arrest warrant?
Ano?
Kung sakasakaling galing po sa Interpol, ano pong ibig sabihin nito? May paglabag po ba kung sakasakali man?
Depende. Kasi Interpol cannot personally deliver that, implement it. Dapat dadaan yan sa ating judicial system and that is to the Department of Justice.
Sir, may confirmation po galing sa PCO na sinasabi po meron talagang walang arrest dapat sa Pangulong Duterte. Nagkaling daw po sa ICC.
Asa?
Yun po, binigay lang po nila.
Eh, ba't hindi niya pakita kung meron? Why don't they show it if there is such a warrant?
Kung sakali sir, na diniretso po pinakita kay dating Pangulong Duterte, pwede rin po ba ganun?
Oh, siyempre, he's the object of the warrant. Eh. So, basically, it should be shown to him. Now, if the President will show it also to his legal counsel, that's proper.
Pero
Sir,
sir, hindi na tayo member ng ICC.
Ha?
Hindi na
We're
member
not a
ng
party
ICC.
to the treaty anymore.
Ang Pilipinas.
Hindi ba nag-withdraw si Presidente?
Yeah, they still have jurisdiction.
No less than President Bongbong Marcos said that he does not recognize the ICC. And he said that to allow the ICC to come here is to admit that our justice system is not working.
Sir, has PBBM talked to any one of you? Any Duterte team, any Duterte cabinet, nakausap nyo ba siya?
Wala naman.
Was there an attempt?
Position yun noon na ayaw niyang kapasukin.
Sir, ngayon lang, like recent days over the weekend,
Wala naman.
may nag-attempt po bang kumausap kay PBBM?
Wala naman. Wala naman.
So,
Sir,
there's
thank
no
you very much.
communication.
Makikibalita kami sir kung makakapasok kayo sir. Yusek, tinawag ko siya.
Excuse me.
Aktor na
You just saw the interview of former Labor Secretary Sylvester Bello. We're here outside the Villamor Air Base. He says hindi niya alam kung ano yung nangyayari. He says he doesn't know, but we can officially report that former President Rodrigo Duterte has been arrested over alleged crimes against humanity. What we know, according to Secretary Bello, ay Interpol yung nagpakilala sa kanya. So we can verify per Secretary Bello na Interpol ang ginamit, hindi ICC agents yung umaresto. Interpol daw yung kumausap sa kanya. Kung ano yung napag-usapan, they're also unsure, but we can officially report that an arrest has been effected. Tingnan natin kung sino yung nandito.
At yung bagada ka sa ito.